Imagine this. You are walking down the street and the person next to you drops to the ground unconscious. What would you do? Would you freeze? Would you act? Would you run, hoping that the person next or behind will take action? Or would you act courageously and save the person's life? Your next 60 seconds actions will decide if this person will live or die. This is how you save a life. When someone collapses in front of you. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to dive deep into what you can do when someone collapses in front of you. And what you do could mean death or life for that person. Many times when this would happen to us, then we would panic and we would be running away, not knowing what to do. And I would be able, I am sharing this so that whenever this happens, you are walking on the street, you are in your house, someone just collapses. You do not get shaken, you do not panic, but you know what to do. Before the ambulance arrives, you are the emergency response. Before the paramedics, you are the one who is with this person. You are the one who can do what you do today at the time of what has happened. We will determine whether this person will live or die. So, the first thing, when you are in such a situation, remain calm. You may panic, but take a deep breath very fast within the first 15 seconds. Calm your self down. Your heart and your voice are all that you need. If there are people around you, you can shout help so that they know there is danger. And then get the person. So when you get the person, you want to place them in a position that they are comfortable. The first thing that you do is check their responsiveness. You can tap them on the shoulders. You can gently shout, "Are you okay?" Around their ears, because they could be having a near hearing problem, and you can check their response on both ears. If they don't respond, then you know that they may not be conscious. So if they are not responding, then you need to move to the next step, which is this next step. Don't wait. Call emergency services immediately. What does this mean? If you are in a country like Kenya, you need to know which is the emergency number to call. Often it is the 911 or 112. So you need to call 999 or 112 for emergency. Then talk to and shout to the people around you, so that if there are people around, they are walking, they have not known that there is danger, then they can be able to come to your aid, so that you form a team so that you can be able to help. So directing attention to the situation will help you have enough people to respond to the emergency. Then look for the chest movement. This is the third action now. You have called the person. You have tried to tap him to see his response. You have tried to call him and see whether he's responding. You have ascertained he's unconscious. You have called attention of the people around you. You can delegate, like tell someone in the group, call 99, and then you are looking at this person's breathing. Is he breathing? If he's not breathing, then you need to check his chest movement and put your ear near their mouth, so that you feel whether there is breathing. And if you can see them breathing, then you are good to go. You just need to put them in the left lateral position and make sure that they are safe. If there is no pulse and no breathing, this could be a cardiac arrest. If someone has sustained a cardiac arrest, then what is it that you need to do? They have possibly irregular breathing, they are gasping for air, then you need to start the next step, which is chest compressions. How do you do the chest compressions? One, you need to interlock your hands. You place them at the middle of the person's chest, and then that is the center of the chest of that person, and then you need to push hard and fast. This is you make movements in and out, at least for 5 to 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters in, and then you release, and you do it fast, like 100 beats per minute. Remember, when you do this, you are pumping on behalf of the person. Call the people around you to help you. Push fast, push hard. Do not stop until the person starts to breathe. And your hands are his lifeline, so do not hesitate. Some people think that, when you do this, you'll break his limbs. Yes, that can happen. But remember, a man can live with a broken limbs, but he will not live without a beating heart. So you need to help his heart start beating. If they are breathing, place them in the recovery position. The recovery position is if you put them lying on the left side, the leg on the upper side, you try to push it up kidogo, and then you stretch the lower leg a bit, and then make sure they are breathing. And also, with this will prevent them from choking, and also this will keep their airway open. So stay with the person until you help alive. Remember, we have already said that you need immediately to call 999 or 112 for emergency response. So the thing that we do, which can be detrimental, doing nothing. It is better you try to do something, you do it long, because help is coming. But if you don't do anything, you may not be of any assistance. So do something, either calling for help or alerting the people aloud. Do not pour water on the person. It doesn't help, and you cool his body, and then you can lower his body temperatures beyond help. Don't panic. Do not shout endlessly. Call them or tap them and find out whether they are conscious. And I've told you how to check whether this person is breathing or is responding or is conscious. Do not cloud them. They need fresh air, so do not form a cloud. Sometimes we are just there taking pictures and doing nothing. That does not help the life of a person. Don't walk away assuming that someone else will help. You are the person who is the lifeline of this person. It depends on your heart. It depends on your actions. The biggest mistake in an emergency, or if this happens, is doing nothing. So please do something. This could be your friend, this could be your parent, or this could be your child. Remember, we are talking about this happening on the streets, but it could also have happened in your house. So someday it might be someone you love. So do not let this video pass by without knowing these tricks. So make sure that you learn and be able to help someone. So let it not be you who does not know what to do. Learn how, so that you can act when it is necessary. And also discuss these things within your circles. When you teach each other what to do in case of such an emergency, you learn together, we have a healthier society, and we can help a colleague or a friend when in need. So if this video taught you something, do not keep it to yourself. This could mean the life of a person. Share it with someone else. Share it within your circle. Share it with 3 people whom you care about. Memorize what you have learned. Teach it to someone whom you care, and teach it to the people whom you work with, and let also someone else know. So comment on the comment section of this video. I choose to act, so that I know that you are ready to save a life, and also encourage someone else to learn. And if you have not subscribed to the Overall Health YouTube channel, please subscribe for more tips on how to save a life. Thank you. I meet you in the next video.